Hey everybody, we're back with a new video of soft-centered Choco lava cookies. Hope you enjoy it. In a big bowl, add the chocolate chunks and the butter. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds so that the butter has melted, and then give it a mix so that the chocolate also melts. In a bowl with 2 tablespoons of almond milk, add the baking powder, give it a stir. Then add the vanilla essence and give it a stir again. Back add the chocolate mixture, add the sugar and give it a mix till it's a smooth paste. Then add the milk mixture and give it a mix again. Next, using a sift the flour and mix it using a spatula till everything is well incorporated and resembles like a dough, although it would be a bit liquidy. Transfer the dough into a small bowl and cover it with a cling wrap and then refrigerate it for an hour. While the dough is in the fridge, let's make the ganache. Add 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate and half a tablespoon of vegan cream. Microwave this mixture for 20 seconds and give it a stir. Microwave it for another 20 seconds, give it another stir, and finally microwave it for the last time and give it a final stir. Freeze this mixture till it is hard. After all the freezing process, remove the dough and form it into a ball. Take a small part of the dough, form it into a circle and make a hole right in the middle. Take a small teaspoon of the chocolate ganache and add it in the middle of the hole. Cover the ball with some extra dough and roll it again. Similarly, repeat the process for the next 9 cookies. Now, on a baking tray, sprinkle some sugar and roll the dough balls till it is fully coated with it. Finally, on a lined parchment sheet, add the cookie doughs and bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. After removing from the oven, let it cool on a wire rack. As you can see, they're soft-centered and super chocolatey. So give them a try and let us know what you think of the recipe down in the comment section. Till then, happy baking!